What's up, everybody? We are out at the lake. Gonna see if fly fishing can work for some bass out here. We have done this once before. It was much colder and we were catching some trout, maybe steelhead. Whoa, we weren't sure what it was, but it is now late May. We're gonna see if we can do some fly fishing for some bass. So let's check it out. On, fish, fish. That was quick. That was quick. I think it's a bass too. I was literally about to recast and move this camera. Yeah, and it was down. I don't know, feels like it. I don't think so, we'll see. Definitely not fighting like a crappie or a bluegill. Yep, bass. Not bad. Yeah, dude. Oh yeah. First one of the night. Not too many casts in too. Look at that. Need the pliers, maybe? Oh, barbless, already out. Yeah, dude. Sick. Well, that didn't take long. I guess fly fishing for bass at Shasta works, baby. Let's go. Ooh, ow! Oh! No, it popped back. God damn it! It just popped out again, but it popped back. No, it's fine. That confirms I think I need to get it checked out. God damn it. Huh? It just did what I did before, but it popped back by itself. Last time I had to have my coach pop it back in. All right, for those of you on camera who just heard all that, sorry. I popped my knee out at jiu-jitsu about a month ago. Haven't been back, and it just popped out releasing that fish. So that was fun. But this time it popped back. Last time my coach had to put it back in. So anyway, we're back to fishing. Let's go. That was like this, dude. I was literally like, all right, I'm gonna try and recast it farther, but I'm gonna let line out. I'm gonna go adjust the camera closer. Yeah. And I looked back and it was down. I was like, well, there we go. Semi-successful first spot. Got a decent bass. We're gonna head to a little point over here. Try that out. All right. Okay. All right, guys, we're over on the corner. Nothing over there. Again, race against clock. So we saw some busts over here. Let's give it a try.
Get two.
Man, you guys, well, we only spent about an hour on the lake, hour and 15, maybe. It's 8:30. And well, just that first bite, literally like a first couple minutes into fishing. But figured it'd be a fun challenge. I always bring the fly rod wherever I go typically, and it's pretty much the way I like to fish. But out here at Shasta, we've been out here the last couple of years, and we typically use spin rods because it's pretty fun. That's just how people bass fish out here. But we were out here during the colder season one time, and I brought the fly rod, and it was awesome. We caught some what I think is steelhead, could just be trout, and we just had like an absolute blast. I caught a couple rainbow, some bass, and it was just super fun. And it's always fun to fight on a fly rod. So brought this one out, did catch one. So I will say it's possible. Definitely a little challenging. And I will say we didn't have a boat. If we have a boat, which we have a pontoon boat, but again, late start to the night of fishing, I wanted to do a quick, challenge video of trying to fly fish out here at Shasta. And it definitely works, but it takes time. Also didn't help. I kind of popped my knee and tweaked my knee at the very beginning. But I mean, I don't care, man. Look at this. You can't beat doing this kind of stuff. This is just amazing. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. You will see a little more fishing when I get back to the boat, if I do more fishing. If I don't, this will be the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. You know the drill. We'll see you in the next one.